say we're from Mount Sackville. Okay.
Where are you from?
We're from Mount Sackville Secondary School.
Okay.
And my name is Neil McCauley.
Cool. And you've got a research project here today. I'll just give a quick look on it. Can you tell me a little bit more about it?
Well, we did a cross-sectional survey on 4 different schools, and we found that 13% of people have been cyberbullied, 35% have seen it taken place, and 4% have admitted to being cyberbullied.
Your friends are like panicking about their turn to go on camera, so I'll put them under pressure here.
My name's Nicole McManus, and we found that girls are more likely to be cyberbullied and be cyberbullied.
Why do you think that is?
We kind of think because we're more judgmental and very critical about each other.
Are there? Sorry, what's your name?
Kayleen.
Kayleen, are there any stats around like percentages of more girls than guys that have been bullied, or?
We found that. Well,
where you're pointing me to, or where?
These 2 regions here. We surveyed boys and girls, and we said who's more likely to be cyberbullied, boys, girls, or is it equal? And all of the girls said it was either girl or equal, and then all the boys said it was girls.
Oh, really? Wow.
No one thought it was boys.
What do you think are the main messages the average young person needs to keep in mind about bullying or cyberbullying?
They don't realise the consequences, so they have to think about what they're doing before they post rude comments.
Okay. And do you think there are things to keep in mind that teachers or parents need to think about?
I think that parents need to be more, they need to monitor the children's behaviour online, because we have another fact here. We asked if students thought their parents were strict enough in relation to internet usage, and most of them said that their parents weren't strict enough.
Cool. Well, thanks very much. Keep up the great work.
Thank you.
See yous. Deadly. Thank you.
Thanks.